Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sugaring Factory offers organic products for effective and natural body hair removal through sugaring. This method of hair removal, from face, hands, legs, back, Brazilian bikini, is highly effective as it lets you avoid skin trauma and hair damage.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You're going to feel uncomfortable. Look, there's no way around it. Having someone rip every hair out of your lady parts and the surrounding region is going to be weird. I don't care if you actually are Giselle. It's awkward.
Take our lead.
Clients tend to comment that smoother results last longer with sugaring than waxing, he says. I personally prefer sugaring, as results last longer and it's less redness left afterward. If any part of your body is particularly heat sensitive, stick with sugaring, which is done at room temperature.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.